You write everything you need to do down, but it still doesn't tell you what to actually do next. In this video, I'll show you how to take messy notes and turn them into a clear to-do list using AI. First with a vague prompt, and then with something that works a lot better. Let's set sail. You can see this vague prompt works, but it's basically the same list, just a little bit cleaner. There's no grouping or priorities, and it's still vague in places. And so I still have to think through it. So let's give it a little more direction and make it useful. And now this is something I can actually work from. It has grouped things together, clarifies what needs to be done, and organizes the list so I know where to start. So instead of just rewriting the list, it's actually helping me think through it. And if I want, I can go further. And that turns this into something even more usable. I will put a few versions of this prompt to turn messy notes into a to-do list in the description if you want to use them today. They're the same notes and the same AI, but more information in the prompt turns this into something you can actually act on right away. Until next time, I wish you smooth sailing.